Alright, Jack of the Northwest Brussels. I'm going to be showing you a 2003 05 TC2000. This is a 42 passenger. Let's check it out. Alright. So, check inside. So, first things first, check the motions. Driver can come in. We're going to the driver area first. Sorry, people, let's get a mic for that. Nice windshield right here. The AC is only up to close. The miles is around
241,863 miles on a 5.9 liter Comet. There it is, AC. We got the wheels and fan. And number 1 and number 2. Oops, the toes like that.
Alright, so this is powered by the Cummins 5.9 liter turbo diesel engine. Alright, in the back, this is a 42 passenger. This is a commercial bus for the new Office co-pilot. You know, the old one. In the back right here, you get the step right here. Right here to the emergency exit door. Alright. So we're going to do, let's do the introductions. We got 7.5 and 29 feet. You see right here in this big rectangle, in the 7.5, and the into the height in the center of the aisle is 6'4". Alright, that will do it for the inside.
Let's check on the outside.
Alright, the tires. 25 to 60 seconds. Right here on the roof.
Look at this. Got the Marshall Round stick.
Alright, so we got the stairs and the round, and you guys can see that like that. I'm going to reach the lift. Right here, see staircase. And the driver's side tire here to the motorcycle as well. And that's going to be
Number 4, driver's side tire.
Thank you for watching this Northwest Bus Sales. It's opening up tool. If you like this bus or anyone best to call out to 1-800-221-7099.
Bishops at nwbus.com. More e-sales and daybus.com. Thanks for watching.